Welcome to Cryptshare, the solution that allows you to communicate sensitive information easily and securely. Cryptshare makes email better by adding security and removing the limits on file attachments that often prevent you from exchanging information. To help with corporate governance and regulatory compliance requirements, Cryptshare also provides a detailed audit of your communication activity. Above all, Cryptshare is easy to use. If required, it can be seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Outlook or IBM Notes. If not, you can use it over a self-explanatory web front end without the need for the sender or the recipient being required to install software or set up user accounts. This is how it works. To send a message, a file, or a combination of both through your browser, navigate to your Cryptshare server. To start, select Provide. As a first-time user, you will be asked to provide your contact details, name, telephone number, and email address. You will then be sent a verification code to your email address. If you have used the system before, Cryptshare remembers these details. Now enter the email addresses into the fields for direct, copy, and blind copy recipients. And click Next. Select or create the contents you would like to send. You can add one or many files to your transfer up to a size of multiple gigabyte, though local administrators may set file size limits. You can now create a confidential message that will be sent fully encrypted and only accessible to the intended recipient. When you have added or created all the contents you want to send, hit Next. The next screen allows you to manage several options concerning your transfer. You can choose a date until which the files are available to the recipient and after which the files are automatically removed. If you are communicating in an international environment, you can select the language in which the recipients of your data should be notified by the system. Further languages can be added. To receive a record of your transfer via email, select the option Send a notification mail about this upload. This will provide you an audit trail in your normal inbox. You can also be notified when the recipient has downloaded the information you have sent by selecting Inform me as soon as a file has been retrieved. Where sensitive information is contained in the file name, you can withhold the file name from the notification. Several password options are available to secure your transfer. Where the information being sent is not sensitive, you have the option to not use a password. Alternatively, you can have the system generate a secure password for you and copy the password into the clipboard. Or you can manually set a password of your choice. The qualitative requirements for passwords, as well as the options available to the user, are depending on administrative settings. Cryptshare can send your corporate standard notification to the recipient, but if you wish, you can modify each notification individually. The files are now being uploaded to your Cryptshare server through an SSL secure channel. Once they are on the server, they are checked for viruses and stored using strong 256-bit AES encryption. Recipients then receive the notification message you have provided via email. Within the message, there is the link from where they can retrieve what you have sent. Once the upload is complete, you are provided with a summary on the screen that shows all properties of the transfer in an overview. Now, let's have a look at the recipient side. The recipient receives an email informing them that you have sent them information. The email contains the contact details you provided as well as a download link from where the information can be retrieved. The recipient can contact you if you have not pre-agreed or provided the password. Clicking the download link takes the recipient to the Cryptshare server where the information that you have sent is held. Having provided the correct password, the recipient can access the files. The files can be downloaded individually or altogether as a zip archive. Any confidential message can be read in Outlook or any other email software that supports the EML format. If you selected the option, you will automatically receive an email notifying you that the recipient has downloaded the information you sent. As you could see, Cryptshare can be used to exchange confidential information, such as emails or files of any size, ad hoc and with no requirements to be met, but having access to email and a browser.